Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time it will be an unboxing video. And not just any, but a mystery unboxing. So I was googling on eBay, Etsy, the internet to find a mystery box. But some of them were really pricey and very heavy, like the shipping was almost expensive as the box and I didn't want that. But then on Etsy I found a shop called the Eco Mermaid and I was like, I really like mermaids, so I figured, let's order a box. You can customize it personally, you just have to say what you like. For example, I put in I like mermaid things, I got a little pug, I like the color green, I like wolves, I like silver jewelry, and I don't have any restrictions when it comes to food. And here it is. She combined an entire tiny box with things I like, and let's unbox it. Alright, so let's open it up. I have no idea what's in there. I haven't seen any of it, so I'm really excited. Just opening it up. Alright, it should be open. Slowly opening it up. And you guys are the first to see what's in there. You are mermazing. Look how cute. How adorable. Alright. Let's see what this is. It sounds like something about a little story and about things about princesses, kingdoms, sins. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Pretty detailed as well. And there you go. The inside of the box. Let's see what's in there. At first, what I see is a cute little mermaid charm. Pretty adorable. Definitely gonna be using it because I have a little corkboard in the corner of my room that I would like to use for it. It's really cute. I like it. First item, pretty awesome. Then what I see is a cute little green candle. Doesn't have any scent, which is fine. I really love candles, so it's perfect. And it's small, so I can just put it on my desk. And I see... oh, that's really awesome. It's a wolf coaster. I really like wolves. It's really similar to my tattoo as well, as you can see. So that's really awesome. I like that. I will definitely be using it because I have a new wooden desk. And having a wood-burned coaster, that's pretty awesome. Alright, and the next item are mermaid stickers. Like I said, I mentioned a lot of... wait, these aren't stickers. They are tattoos! Look! Oh, that's really awesome. Need more tattoos? Because I need more! Pretty cute. See Ariel. I liked it. I really thought they were stickers because at the first look they really looked like them. But it's pretty awesome that they are tattoos as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using them, but they are still fun to have. Alright, next item. Ooh, that's really shiny. Seems like a little mermaid's pen. It is. Ooh, that's awesome. Really shiny. I really like the mermaid items so far. I love them. Let's see, there's a bunch of awesome candy in there. Pretty awesome, I like candy. Wham! We don't have that here. That's pretty awesome too. And some more candy, some love hearts. Pretty awesome too. My dog is very interested in what I have. And let's see what this is. Fruity flavored lip balm, Melon Dew. Pretty cool. I use lip balm like almost every day, so it's perfect to have. And let's see, it's green again. Let's see what it says. Not much. Let's open it up. I think it's some kind of eyeliner. I love green and I use eyeliner, so that's perfect. It smells really nice too. And the next item, ooh, a mask. That's pretty awesome too. Helps with your pores. Oh, it's so natural as well. Oh, I'm really excited to try this one out. Dead Sea Mineral Rich. I had a mask before, like one of those black mask clay kind of things. It worked really well, so I'm really excited for this one. This is really nice. Pretty cool. Alright, and the next item is a beautiful necklace with a wave. I like that one too. It's silver, and I live near a sea, so it's perfect. In fact, I think I'm just gonna wear it right away, because I love it. There we go. I think it's pretty cool. Cute little wave. I like it. And the last is a little postcard. Believe in mermaids. And that's it. The box is empty. I really like these little gifts. So if I would rate this box, I would definitely give it a 10. Alright, so here's a little close-up of all the things I got. Cute charm, a postcard, candy, candles, lip balm, eyeliner, a beautiful mermaid pen, a mask, temporary tattoos, and a wolf coaster. I think it's pretty awesome, especially for what I paid for, which was not an expensive box like you see on eBay, so I really recommend buying this one. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting this little mystery box. It's fun to open. I didn't know what was gonna be in there. I only know it was personalized to what I really like. And you can also buy like a 10-pound box, which is this one. You can buy bigger boxes, smaller boxes, and the price is really low as well. They ship from the United Kingdom, so it's perfect. I really recommend it if you just want something to give to a friend, a family member, or just for yourself, because it looks amazing. So yeah, that was my unboxing from my mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys have any ideas for this channel, or you have something you want to see, feel free to comment them down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I got a ton of more ideas for videos. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!